Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Armed Forces Special Powers Act, that is AFSPA. Recently due to Manipur issue, this act is in news, and in past Nagaland also protested against this act to remove this act from the Nagaland state. This act is a law enacted by Parliament in 1958 to give armed forces. Here armed forces means military, military, air force and central parliamentary force. That is, this act is enacted to give armed forces special powers and immunity to maintain public order in the disturbed area. Public order means to maintain peace among the public in the disturbed area. Which all areas has to be considered as a disturbed area means the areas in which differences and disputes happening between the different religion and racial people, or the different language talking people, among the different regional groups, or among the different caste or community people. Those areas has to be considered as a disturbed area. And section 2 of this act tells that area has to be declared as a disturbed area. Then only central government will send armed forces to those areas to maintain public peace, and those forces will be given the special powers and immunity. And section 3 of this act empowers the governor of that particular state and union territory to issue official notification to declare the region as a disturbed area. Means here governor has a power to declare area as a disturbed area in that particular state or union territory. And section 4 of this act will give the powers to the armed forces. Those powers are power to use force even to extent of causing death, means on spot shoot of the person, and power to arrest without any warrant, and power to seize without any warrant, and power to search any area of that disturbed area without any warrant. And arrested person and seized property has to be handed over to the nearby police station. And these armed forces are immune from the prosecution, that is legal proceedings. These armed forces are immune for these legal proceedings, but central government can issue permission to take legal proceedings against these armed forces. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching.